Hey guys, it's Adam here from F150LEDs.com. Today we have our Bronco Sport here in the shop. We're going to be showing you how to switch out those OEM dim and dingy reverse lights for our super bright white MKII reverse light kit from F150LEDs.com. This kit's going to make backing up a whole lot easier as it provides a lot of light at night, and we're going to show you how to do the install right now. All right, the first thing we need to do to be able to remove this taillight assembly is remove this plastic trim piece located right here. There are two tabs on this plastic trim piece. Now all we'll need to do is grab onto the trim piece, pull away from the truck with some moderate force, and these two tabs will pop right out. As you can see, just a little bit of force, and there's these two tabs right here, and they'll pop right out. That'll expose our two 10mm size nuts here that will need to be removed before we can remove our taillight assembly. Now, if this is your first time removing the taillight assembly, it may take some moderate force as it is in there pretty well. We've removed ours a few times, so it's going to pop right out, but you'll just grab, pull away from the truck, and this taillight assembly should pop right out. Here are three bulbs here on the back of our taillight assembly. To make it a little bit easier for the video, we're going to move over to the tabletop, and to do so, we're just going to remove this harness here. It's just a little simple pop tab. You'll press down and pull away. You don't have to do this for the install. We just want to show you guys a little bit easier for the video. Now that we have our taillight assembly removed, we're going to be swapping out the reverse bulb. Now the reverse bulb is the bottom bulb on the taillight assembly. And to remove it from the taillight assembly, you give it a counterclockwise turn and pull straight out, and the bulb will come right out. Now you want to be very careful. If this bulb has been on, it's going to be extremely hot. Ours hasn't been on for a while, so we know it's nice and cool. But you want to pull it directly away from the socket, and the bulb will come right out. To make sure there's no polarity issues with this bulb when you're installing it, you can look inside the socket, and there's two metal tabs, one located on this side of the socket, one located on this side of the socket. And you'll notice on our bulb there's two metal prongs here. So if you line up the metal prongs with the metal tabs and insert it, you will not have any polarity issues when installing this. So you'll press it firmly into place to seat the bulb into the socket. To reinstall it, just line up your tabs like so and give it a clockwise turn. All there's left to do is reinstall our harness, or reconnect our harness, put back our 10mm bolts, and then put our trim piece back into place, and we're good to go. So that's all there is to switching out those dim and dingy yellow reverse lights for our super bright MKII white reverse light kit from F150LEDs.com. You can check this kit out along with all of our other amazing LED technology for your Bronco Sport at F150LEDs.com. We truly appreciate your support, and we look forward to seeing you there. Thanks guys.